Hello, sir. Pleased to meet you. What's your name?
Nice to meet you, sir. My name's Tendai Gwavazaa.
All right.
Yes, I come from Zimbabwe.
Okay.
And I started caving in 1995. I started. The one who taught me is my father.
Yes.
But he does fine art.
Okay.
Fine art pieces.
Yes.
But I later on in 1999, I created this art I call shadows.
Shadows.
Shadows. Yes.
All right.
And this one, the piece that I have here.
Okay.
Yes, I call it sunset shadows.
Hold on for a second, please.
Yeah.
So you're saying to me this is
sunset shadow.
Sunset shadow.
You can see the colors that I have left here.
Yeah.
Reflect the rays of the sun when it is setting.
Okay.
You can see this is it's like a tree, and but also it can depict also the mother and child. Also
yes.
what comes out of it. You can closely see. And I chose cobalt because it brings out these beautiful natural colors that it has. That is why I use it. And also, what I also want the customers and the ones who are going to have this piece in their homes is that if they see it, they will start by meditating on the colors and everything. That will soothe their minds and it brings sort of some healing in them, so that their minds, which have been disturbed maybe because of something, or maybe if they are only happy to see it, they'll be gratified in my art.
All right.
That is really what I focus on.
Okay, thank you. We move on to your next piece.
Okay,
Hold on for a second, huh?
All right. Okay.
Yes, here we are again. So we are now at your other piece.
Yeah.
Can you tell me a little bit about it?
This is a sculpture that I call a feeding eagle. Okay. You can see start from here. You can see this is the beak, and going the head, and the neck, and you can see this is the tail.
Okay.
And these are the legs.
Yes.
And here, I call it there's food here, so it's now feeding.
Okay, all right.
It's a feeding, but I want to use shadows. You can see that it's a shadow feed, but you can closely look at it. You can see that it is an eagle.
Yes.
There's an bird in it.
Yes.
And you can see also about the colors and everything.
Yeah.
That is my style.
Especially with the sun on it.
Yeah.
Yes.
And some other code, my sculptures are so peaceful in the sunshine.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you're working mainly with cobalt, you say, huh?
Yes, I do work with cobalt, yes.
But it's a very tough stone, eh?
Yeah, it's a tough stone, yes. Yeah. But only what I do is I make sure that I remove also the other parts which are weak on the outside of the cobalt, so that it will be solid and everything.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you very much for your explanations.
You're welcome.